After selling on eBay for 10 plus years, I have to tell you guys, eBay is not passive income. And to be honest, most people that try it actually fail. And it's because they have a false expectation. They look on platforms like YouTube and they want to start without any money, so they draw into this drop shipping loophole, or they try to get products from Alibaba, AliExpress, or DHgate using vendor links, and they're selling replica cologne or even AirPods. See, selling them as they are legitimate products or even trying to start without actually having inventory creates bad customer experiences. Also, it hurts you because you get a sour taste in your mouth. And to be honest, this is something a lot of people experience, and it ends up stopping their reselling momentum before it even begins. See, I started this as a 19-year-old that just got fired from Sam's Club because I lied about my age and I was actually too young. I felt vulnerable, I felt helpless, and most importantly, I promised myself I would never let any job take food off of my table. And see, I started to go and work for a Sprint owner in Philadelphia under the table, buying phones from him and then flipping them out on the streets of Philadelphia. I went to bus stations, schools, wherever I can to try and sell unlimited talk, text, and data for $55. And guess what? I turned that money into a phone store. I then turned those phone stores into me actually being able to have my own wholesale warehouse where I have thousands of products. See, this did not just happen overnight, and I also don't just sell online. I sell in real life. I make money in real life, and YouTube or the online stores that I do have are not my only income. And this is because I understand having multiple streams, but consistent streams of products and also services that people need is where the real win happens. Now, fast forward, I also have one wholesale warehouse where I actually source products that I ship not only for my eBay, my Walmart, or even my Macari store, but for over 400 other hustlers just like you. I don't actually package my own products anymore. I don't have to pick the products out. I don't have to list the products. I actually have assistants, 4 to be exact, that do this for me on a consistent basis, 7 days a week, listing for me, shipping for me, and also providing the products from the warehouse that are trending to maximize my sales every single week. Now, if you're new here, my name is Brandon Jones, and I'm a hustler, not just online, but in real life. And I've done this probably in the same situation you're in right now, just trying to find the right hustle that actually can help me supplement income and also generate the life that I really truly deserve. Now, let's first talk about what eBay automation actually is. So eBay automation is where you have someone list, ship, and provide the products for you. When I first started eBay, that was the hardest part, providing the products, finding products that actually sell, and just guessing, right? Well, we don't guess, we don't try to find trending products. We go by data, metrics, and also pull all of the metrics from Google Trends and also other people that we are managing accounts for. So these assistants are going to list products for you, ship the products for you, and also continue to source the products for you. This is a non-stop service. This is a service that works even after you pay for it. And most importantly, you're not paying for the products until they sell. I know, you're shocked, right? See, the part that you pay for is for assistants to actually list for you 7 days a week. And the reason you do this is because you don't just want volume, but you want the revisions. You want them to actually look at what your store is doing well and who you're attracting. Target markets actually matter. So eBay automation helps you not have to go to the post office every single day. It helps you not have to overanalyze or think about products you're selling. And most importantly, it helps you keep up with your eBay so you can get that positive feedback so you can become one of the top sellers. Once you become a top seller, you start automatically getting sales, trust, and most importantly, build your brand. This has helped people build not only their eBays, but their whole entire brand as a whole. We're not dropship. Every product we have, we source 100% in our warehouse. And this is where the win comes. Because I remember trying dropshipping and I failed miserably, not because the products didn't attract people, but because the products actually weren't high quality, and also they weren't actually in my hand. I didn't have any leverage. So what I did was I made sure I built my money up with my 4 stores to have a warehouse to solve this problem. So I have all products in-house. So I can replace, I can also build, store, and contribute to any customer's needs or any partner's needs automatically, instantly, without any second guessing. Now, why do people fail when they do it by themselves? You're talking to somebody and looking at someone on YouTube that has a successful reselling business, but took 6 months to sell his first product. Yes, my first product on eBay was a 3.5 jack headphone set. I ended up actually turning that one product into a product that paid my electric bill. And that's great, but it took a long time because I wasn't doing research. I wasn't altering my listing. I wasn't SEO optimizing my listing. And also I wasn't consistent. Now, when I did get those listings and those listings sold, I was having trouble fulfilling them because either I didn't have enough product or I did not take my lazy butt to the post office every single day. Now I want you to picture this. You're getting 500 orders every single day. Do you think you'll have time to go to that post office while also sourcing those products consistently to make sure these products are getting to your customers? See, these are the problems that eBay sellers have. Either they can't find that product and they don't have that product in stock, or they have the product in stock, they have the product in general, but they do not have the time to keep going back and forth to the post office while also maintaining the regular 9 to 5. I've had that problem where I actually lost sales, had bad ratings because my failure to go to the post office and simply ship. But see, this is where we found the solution. After years of building and growing, we found that the account is what actually matters more than even the product. See, the product gets seen, but for eBay to trust and push you out even further, you need to make sure you have a good, properly set up account with the ability for customers to buy quality products to leave feedback. Now, is your account a business account? If so, yes, good. Is the account also listing low ticket items first? You know, not selling iPhones or AirPod replicas first is imperative. And then lastly, are you actually setting yourself up for success with products people need? These are some of the factors that actually build your account faster than normal. Now, take a look at your reviews. One of the easiest ways to get really, really good reviews is staying really, really consistent. We're talking about when customers place orders, making sure you thank them, but also keep them updated and make sure you're having brochures in the packages to go and upsell customers on your website, or just having the customer experience a lucrative process. And this is what assistants help you do. They don't just list the product or sell the product or ship the product. They actually create an ecosystem for customers to become familiar with you, which helps them leave that positive feedback as they get a business-like approach instead of just a secondhand reseller. This feedback comes from a well-oiled system. The well-oiled system helps you 10x profits immediately, especially when customers are buying products they really need. Now, let's talk about sales, right? So everyone gets different results. That's clear as day. No eBay system is going to get you a simple copy and paste. I'd be lying, and just like everyone else, if I told you that you're going to see the same results as the person next to you. But I will tell you that listing and consistently being consistent is going to grant you results. See, we have somebody with 23 active listings, 27 orders, 36 unsold. They have made a total of $1,487. Then you have another person that has 16 active listings, 22 orders, 7 unsold, and they only made $936.94. What's the difference? Well, the difference is that we see at the top 36 unsold listings, and those unsold listings obviously mean this person has listed and taken down more than the person at the 900 range, which means their assistant is testing more. And that's okay. But see, they're probably testing more because this account is primed. See, at the bottom, we have one that has 11 active listings, 32 orders though, with 43 unsold, which means, again, more listings have been listed and then taken down, revised, and they have $1,821.06. And then we have another. We have 47 active, which is more listings, 51 orders, 23 unsold, $2,439. We have 68 active, 43 orders, 18 unsold, 2,874. We have 74 active, 49 orders, 27 unsold, 2,389 and 22 cents. Now, the reason I am sharing these results with you is to show you that everyone is different, but everyone makes money, not because of just the product or just the account. It's a combination of both. That's what you need to look forward to. And a lot of us can't do this on a consistent basis by ourselves, which means we need a team. You know, I took a business course at Temple, and the first thing the professor told us is no business, successful business, does everything by themselves. The most important thing is outsourcing, because if you are someone trying to act like an octopus, you're going to eventually pay attention less to one sector than another. And this could be the difference between you actually excelling and regressing. All right. Now, when it comes to these results, you have to realize that there are a bunch of products that can easily be sold, okay? There's a bunch of different reviews that you can get that makes you feel great and boost your account. You just have to put the work in, and you have to find a way to make up for the areas you act least in. So if you're somebody that's busy and you can't ship all the time, you need somebody to ship for you. If you're somebody that just doesn't sit on your phone all day and don't have time to actively research, you need someone to do that for you too. Get yourself a lucrative assistant or a setup to where it works for you. Because again, I know we all have busy lives, but eBay can be a sustainable income stream if you make it. Now, how can you actually do this and start outsourcing? It's very simple. When I first started, I wanted to outsource. I remember hitting up an influencer and them telling me I had to pay $5,000 to start an automation. We don't do that here. So at wesply.com, this is a website that gets you connected directly with my wholesale warehouse. Now, we do sell wholesale products, but we also sell services that help you as a reseller. If you go to the partner network, right, you could become a founder partner. And what that basically is partnering with that warehouse. Now you can start with just $27, right? That just gets you the lessons and classes. But if you're looking to do eBay automation, get yourself assigned an assistant that will work for you every single month. You pay $297 a month. Now, the reason you're paying this a month is because you're going to actually be working with an assistant. You pay $297 every single month. You're paying your assistant $74.25 every single week. Why is that important? Well, it's important because this assistant is going to list products for you every single week. They're also going to make sure they're shipping for you every single week, revising listings for you every single week. And this is a completely hands-off eBay system. Not only are you going to get eBay listings and shipping help, you're also getting access to being able to work, get unlimited calls with me, and utilize our learning platform. Now, our learning platform is spectacular. You don't just get courses and guides. You also get unlimited classes every single Thursday. So here is the calendar, right? We do product reselling classes every other Thursday. You also get a direct selling audit where we audit your eBay and we sit down with you, give you a detailed report on what your assistant is working on and how they can improve and how you could actually help. This is a way to micromanage your account while also making major profits. We make sure that all products are being listed and all returns, if you have any, go directly to you. You own all of the products. Now, remember in the beginning when I said you don't actually pay for the products until they sell? Well, guess what? If you don't sell products, you don't pay for the products. But what you will do when you do sell, you'll get invoiced just the wholesale amount. Let's say you wholesale a charger, okay, and a charging cable. The charging cable will not be the price that you see on the website. Instead, around 75 cents. You're literally partnering with us, having an assistant work for you so you can outsource with your eBay and make money work for you more than work for the money. Now, if you don't make any sales, we will send you a box of 30 products every single month you don't get a sale or you don't reach the threshold of $297. Now, if you want to join this, it's very straightforward. Now, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to wesply.com, hit partner network, hit become a founding partner. Then you hit join, right? And go to this option, $297 a month, launch inventory, product box included, which means you're actually going to get a box of products when you sign up for this service. We will send you products for you to test, for you to be able to sell on your own as well. You're going to get eligible for getting the rewards for the community. We have a whole reward tier system. You're going to get access to the automation, of course, unlimited book calls, and priority live support. So this is very important for someone looking to grow not only just their eBay, but themselves as a brand with real life physical products being sent to you and also being sold by your assistants in a warehouse, listing, shipping, and revising while you work on whatever you choose. They'll be working on your eBay to help you successfully make money work for you. Now, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you guys are interested, definitely hit the link below. If you guys are not interested, you can still go ahead and build a system. I have videos showing you exactly what the assistants are doing as well on my YouTube. I'll link one of the videos here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.